Hello, and welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. It's still very full in here, and yes, I've been to the basement, and I found some things. See, pins and buttons have always been kind of an important thing to me. I'd already collected some, but I remember many years ago when I was at some bowling event. I guess it was out towards, I'm trying to think where it was. Kitchener, Waterloo, other places where they do Oktoberfesty things. I remember seeing people with these cool little hats. Probably there's a specific name for them. I don't remember. Anyway, kind of Germany hats, all full of pins, and they were like flashing and shiny and all that stuff. And I was like, ooh, that's cool. So a lot of times, I find to have just a hat with nothing on it, kind of like, well, like this hat here. Look at this. Look at this. It's a cowboy hat. Fits me quite well. There's nothing on it yet. Anyway, I've been to the basement and I keep finding all kinds of things. What I just recently found was a big box of buttons that has all kinds of things, but indeed, including, but not limited to, buttons from the TPUG glory days. And indeed, they had white ones and blue ones. And I think the idea was that you could take and write your name on them, which of course these ones have not been done. I think that's all. I have kind of a sandwich bag. I think maybe they were orange ones too, but I seem to have mostly white. I do. Mostly white. Anyway, I'm sure that I will be seen wearing at least one of these at the TPUG World of Commodore, which is destined to be this year on December 2nd and 3rd, I believe it is, Saturday and Sunday. And they're just working out the details of exactly the location and all. It will probably be where it has been before. So anyway, mark your calendars. If you're anywhere in Ontario or anywhere in the world of Commodore, do not hesitate to keep in touch and come to the world of Commodore. December 2nd and 3rd. Chances are very close to Toronto, if not, well, it won't be right in Toronto, but close to Toronto. So, the world of Commodore is coming. And who is putting on this? TPUG, the Toronto Pet Users Group. They are. And I will be there. And I know that Rudy from Rudy's Retro Intel will be there. And another fellow, Eugene, who comes up with all kinds of incredible things. And I'll try and get more information. I haven't actually seen any of these, but I will try and get more information. But he'll be there. And Joey Palumbo undoubtedly will be there selling stuff. And all kinds of things. And then, of course, another highlight is the Saturday night Swiss Chalet extravaganza, where people, and there's no real limit on how many, go to the Swiss Chalet that's very close by, and they dine together, and they talk, and they converse, and share stories, and have a grand old time. So, the world of Commodore, December 2nd and 3rd, 2023. Stay tuned for more details. I'll be there. You should be there too. Bye for now.